In this video, we are going to see how we can properly credit a music artist in your YouTube video. So assuming that you have the rights to use that music, I'm going to show you how we can access this YouTube studio and then how we can credit in that particular video about the music that you have used. So first of all, to open up the YouTube studio, all you have to do is just go to youtube.com, and on the top right hand corner in the profile section where you see this sign of thumbnail, you click on the YouTube studio, and on the left hand side we select content. Now let's choose the video that we want to credit the music for. So we click on the details, and on the left hand side we select this copyright option. Click on that, and from here, if you have used some music, you will get that music here, and it will show you this option or a question: are tracks from the creator music missing? You get an add button here. So you click on it and just click on add a license from the creator music. So you check by continuing, I accept the creator music terms and conditions, and then you select confirm, and then you will match it with the music that is available in the audiobook library. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.